Years ago, I began collecting recipes. Some were my own, others were my mama's and grandma's, stored away and almost forgotten. Imagine my delight recently at finding this treasure from my past. How precious. Now, I share these recipes and memories with my children and granddaughter. Just another part of my heritage. And Miss Lucy's classic Cajun culture and cooking. Bonjour, Sha. This is Boo Monceau from Gaydon, Louisiana, my hometown and duck capital of America. Of course, Boo, I'm sure glad I don't have to cook this duck today, Sha. But thanks to you, I don't. Listen, with all the ducks we got that morning, how would you want me to cook it?
I'd make a gumbo.
Well, that's a good idea. So, we're going to do that. Of course, you're going to have to go back out to the blind and get us some more wild game because I have a hungry crew here. So while we're viewing our good hunt that we had that morning at Doug's Lodge in Gaydon, why don't you practice your duck calling, okay? What a beautiful sunrise. It was worthwhile getting up at 3 a.m. to see. Boo, my caller, points to the upcoming kill. Here comes the ducks and the geese. Incoming goose. Shan does a great job of retrieving. We're waiting patiently. Wow, what a beautiful bird. Glad Shan does all the work. He is kept busy. What a neat way to call in ducks without a duck caller.
Pick him up, Mom. Oh, man. Oh, man. Wow.
No time to relax with all the flocks of geese. Shan never stops.
Yep. Good boy. Sit.
He watches carefully. Missy beats me to the kill. Guess she's just younger and quicker. Plus, she likes to outdo her mama. A good dog is a hunter's best friend. And he always brings the kill to his master.
Need one more. Let's do it.
After our limit is shot, we all go in on our Cajun chariot. What a great experience. Now for a hearty breakfast and to clean our game.